Hi guys, I'm Daisy from LCSIGN. What kind of signage would create a unique memory? Check it out. It's the door sign here. The door sign is made of ABS material, which is strong and not easy to bend or wear. You just need to peel off the tape behind the numbers and stick it on a smooth surface to complete the installation. Really convenient and easy to install. The tape is very sticky and will not fall off easily once the license plate is very powerful. This door sign is available in different styles, sizes, and colors. The appearance has a strong 3D sense, and the position can be changed and spliced as needed. If you want to create a unique memory for your store, it will be a good choice for you. What do you think of this new product? Contact to let me know and follow LCSIGN.